Okay, it's Sunday, the 2nd of February. We got some weather moving through. Nothing horribly bad, maybe a little ice in the mountains, Laurel Highlands there. But temperatures right now, you can see where the freezing level is at here. And you can see towards Pittsburgh, you're a little bit above freezing. So that's what's leading to this kind of mix here. Hang on. Okay, so that's what's coming through now. You can see the snow where it's cold, and here's Pittsburgh down here. You're kind of right real close to the freezing rain, but not there. And there's even a little sleet if you can see this orange here in the mountain areas, the little highlands there. This takes you to around 6 o'clock, and you can see it's ended in Pittsburgh, and it's now snowing towards Bradford and up towards Wellsboro out that way. And you got some freezing rain in here in the higher elevations with a little bit of sleet ahead of it. And again, this is not a big deal. Rain could drop back in as you get more into the evening hours, but it won't last. It'll move out, but you can still see that freezing area. So it's kind of a prolonged freezing, but it's not a downpour freezing. So it's not the kind of storm that's going to cause power outages. This takes you to around 2 in the morning, and you can see it's kind of cleared the area. What it looks like snow wise, it's all up north. And again, it's a dusting to maybe at most 2 inches up here in these areas up this way. And in sleet wise, okay, you can see there's some sleet, especially in the higher elevations, that could make driving maybe a little iffy, but it's the higher elevations. And then you got the freezing rain. And again, you can see the way this is in the mountainous areas up here. And again, a little bit up there, but there's more snow up there than anything. But again, this is not a major system. As we move into tomorrow, as we move into tomorrow morning, the precipitation will be gone. Temperatures will look like this. You're above freezing down here. It's even some warmer airs moved in to the mountainous region, so that ice should melt a little bit. We go all the way up here towards Bradford, and the temperature's gone up to 30. It's warming up a little bit. As we go through the daytime hours tomorrow, we get this to around noon. 40s are creeping in out here, even in the mountains. So everything you got's going to go. And even up here towards Bradford, temperatures are in the mid 30s. So everybody's above freezing. As we get towards the afternoon hours, yeah, you're looking at this correct Pittsburgh 50s. Down here, southwestern PA, mid 50s. So it really warms up ahead. But, this is an up and down pattern going to happen here. So northern areas, Erie, Bradford, you're in the 40s, which you haven't seen for a while. And as you can still see, we get to later on in the afternoon. It's around 5 o'clock. Got to mid 50s out here in Pittsburgh. 50s that creep pretty far up here. And again, mid 40s up in Bradford, Erie area there. That's not bad. Then as we go through the overnight period, the cold air does seep back down. This is around midnight Monday night. Temperatures are beginning to go below freezing up here. So you got freezing up here and you got 50s down here. So you would think like, okay, so there should be some kind of precipitation there. And you do. You got a little frontal system coming down here. And that'll move through and bring the cold air with it, and it'll drop, but it's all rain for the most part. And again, temperatures just kind of take a dive. And yeah, there you go. Let's move this out to the morning hours. It's around 7 o'clock in the morning. You can see everybody's now below freezing. We're going to have an up and down kind of a pattern this week. Warm, cold, warm, cold. You'll have to keep an eye out because we have another system moving in Thursday that is going to be a little mean. It's not. It's going to be nasty on Thursday out west. And that forecast will kind of run into on Tuesday when we talk about it. But keep an eye out for that one. This takes you to Tuesday around noontime. You can see temperatures up here freezing or below freezing into the 20s. So if that cold air does come in and hang on, the high temperatures on Tuesday, 20s to the north and around freezing down by Pittsburgh. And then as we go through the nighttime hours, this takes you to around 8 o'clock in the evening on Tuesday, and temperatures are all below freezing at that point in time. Okay, I'll give you an update on Tuesday, and we'll talk about that nasty storm on Wednesday. That's going to be a little bit of everything. All right, everybody, take care, be safe.